Today we learn how to make full round fillet. Okay, just go to this fillet and choose this full round fillet. There are many options. This constant size fillet and this many option face round fillet. Just we will make full round fillet. So I will click this and just I will choose this side and again click this and click this side and again choose this face and click this face. Now see, it will make in this full round fillet. Just choose here tangent and full preview. Okay, just click OK. Now see, it is created as a full round fillet. Again I will go to this fillet and I will choose for this, just click on this line, again click this, again click this and again choose for this and choose this. Now see and click OK. Now see, our full round fillet is created. Okay, thank you for watching.